Hey YouTube, what's going on? Chris here. Want to bring you something interesting. I was on coincheckup.com, and guys, this is a really good one to go to if you've never been there before. What we're going to do today, we're going to check the health according to obviously this website, guys. Anything can change, you know, and every website's going to have their own opinions. But I'm just going off. This has been a good site that I've used for a while now. It's Coin Checkup. I like to look at different coins, different things, see what's happening with the projects. So what you have here, guys, you have the overview, you have charts you can get into, the analysis, predictions, markets, purpose, news, resources related. So everything about Litecoin or any coin you're looking for, you're going to find it here. Getting into the news, guys, there's so much stuff about Litecoin, and it's just always good to keep up to date on that stuff, because remember, price action is everything, but you also want to study the fundamentals and all the developments that are happening with the coin. So we're going to dig into all this, guys. If you like this about Litecoin and you like me doing these coin checkups, like, subscribe, tell me down below in the comments. I'm going to try to get to the comments, back to the comments tomorrow, guys. Do the best that I can. Just been very busy with my other business and got a lot going on. So try my best for you, and I hope you guys really do enjoy these videos. That's priority number one, getting them out to you, and hopefully they help you. So guys, what I want to show you here with Litecoin, first we're going to just start at looking at this graph. So it says Litecoin here got to an all-time high of $350. And what I wanted to point out to you, something that's kind of looking similar here. So you've seen how we went through this basically complete bubble pop here, guys. Take a look at here. Do you see how we had all this accumulation here? Just like over here, we had a bubble pop, then we had all that accumulation. Now look at this ramp up here. It's looking eerily similar to what we have going on right now. And guys, I'm not saying from this point all of a sudden we're going to have one of these major spike ups. It may not happen like that. Every market cycle is going to be different. This one may be more healthy, where we're actually going up and making higher highs and higher lows, and we're not just going to have some that's built on stilts and all of a sudden we fall. This bull market could be longer. Like I said, right now we're in an intermediate term bullish uptrend. We want to turn into a longer term bullish uptrend. But that's what we're looking for. Do you see that supply and demand shift, that rounded bottom, guys? This is beautiful. I'm so happy to see this with Litecoin. So right now, that's the main thing that we want to see, is continued higher highs and higher lows. So now what I'm going to get into with you all, we're going to go down and we're going to look at the actual score. So like Algo score rating, it's given Litecoin a 3.4 out of 5. Open channels, guys, it says 100%. Team strength is at 60%. Product strength is at 70. GitHub activities at 90. Coin strengths at 58. And brand awareness is at 90. So that's how they're basically getting to this 3.4 out of 5. And I think it's really important to look at these things, guys, not to bet the whole farm on these, but to just check in from time to time and say, okay, what's the team strength looking like, or what's the coin strength? Because you can get into each one of these individually down in here, guys, if you really want to get into some stuff, and you can get really deep into the statistics of Litecoin. But right now what it says, Litecoin short-term forecast, it's saying a strong buy. The buys at 12, we're 11 neutral and 3 sell. So this is just going off basically, guys, probably the moving averages. And that's what it does, like on TradingView and all that, one of these indicators. So following the moving averages, right now we are up above, guys. We closed yesterday up above the 20 EMA, but we're a little bit below it today. We're up above the 50, we're up above the 100, and we're up above the 200. So we have good, strong support underneath there. And that's a good thing, guys. Along with Fibonacci and all that, you really want those areas of support. But what I want to show you now, so like in the news, we can click on news and we can get into Litecoin's hash rate hits all-time high. We can read about that. Bitcoin versus Litecoin price analysis. It says BTC steady as Litecoin exhibits both bearish and bullish signs, and that's what we are seeing with Litecoin right now, guys. We're having a very healthy mixture of bullish action, bearish action, different things right now, and there's a big fight between the bulls and the bears. We're in an area where we definitely could find support and we make a higher high, and we're also at an area to where we could drop to lower lows, so we want to be very careful right now. It says Litecoin price holds above 100. Crypto community hopes LTC hits yearly high after August halving. So these are just some of the things, guys, you can get into this and read about it and just kind of see what's going on. And I wanted to bring this to your attention because I think it is really important. You know, you have future events that are coming up, forums, resources. So there's just some very cool things going on. And then Litecoin right now, guys, at around 104. The market cap is at 6.45 billion. The 24-hour volume, we're at 3.45 billion. And this is what I really like about Litecoin, guys. And we've talked about this for a while now. The circulating supply right now is at 62 million, and the overall supply is only at 84 million. And guys, I really believe I like coins that have small circulating supplies. There's a few different coins that I like that have a larger supply, Digibyte being one of them, but traditionally I really get drawn to those coins. I mean, you even look at like Zcash, how low it is, Litecoin's obviously one, Monero, all these different ones that have smaller market caps, so that when big money comes into these and they come in, especially when alt season starts and it really kicks off, you're going to see big money flushed into these. And if there's a low circulating supply, the price really can run hard really fast. And that's what I just wanted to bring to you all here today. Just really go through this stuff and look at the markets, the different things that are happening in here. And let's see if this will load for us, guys, so we can look. Here's all the different markets that you can get into and research about. So there's all that stuff. People always love predictions. I'm not a ton in the predictions business, guys. I mean, you can even see right here it's showing different predictions, projections, things like that. But for me, I just really want to take it with the price action. I've been there for the price predictions, and everyone was saying Litecoin's going to be at $3,000. Remember that in 2018 and everything. Guys, it's all about the price action. It's all about the psychology of the people who are in the market and these bots and everything else. So, you really need to learn how to trade these things, or at least protect your capital the best that you can. And like I said, I still truly believe, and I'm not your financial advisor, but Litecoin is still very undervalued at $103. That's just my opinion. I believe it's going to be much higher in the future. And especially with this halving coming up, guys, it's going to make them even that much more valuable. The reward, you're not getting as much for the power that you're putting out to mine these coins. So it makes it that much more valuable. And that's what I love about cryptocurrency, that they have to be mined. These coins, they have to be mined. And that takes effort, that takes work, that takes the energy behind it. Just like when you're mining for gold or whatever, all the resources that go into that, the diesel, the fuel, everything. Guys, that's what you have to look at. There's intrinsic value to these things. So in my opinion, Litecoin has a lot of value. There's a lot of good things happening. I'm actually surprised at the 3.4 out of 5. Some of the other projects that I like, just to give you guys an example, like QTUM, just to show an example, look where their score is here. They're at 4.4 out of 5. There's a lot of good things going here, guys. Another thing, not a lot on the circulating max supply there, and we're at $2.92, and this has been a coin that has been as high as about $70. So these are the different things that I like to look and pay attention to. Here's our overall market cap. We're at 244 billion. Our BTC dominance is at 55. If alt season is to start, guys, we're going to have to see the Bitcoin dominance drop a little bit and flush some of that money into the alt so they can get pumping. So that's just typically how it happens, but every market cycle is going to be a little different. So guys, I wanted to bring this to you. I hope you like this. This is Coin Checkup, and I just wanted to check in with Litecoin and QTUM here and talk to you all a little bit. So like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I appreciate each and every one of you being here with me. Take care, my friends.